I'm sure you've heard the news. Hiccups are back in style, but why do we get them? So what's up with hiccups? It all starts with your diaphragm. That's the muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes it decides to throw a little tantrum and spasms. This causes your vocal cords to snap shut, and voila, you've got yourself a hiccup. But how do you get rid of them? Here are some quirky remedies. Try holding your breath for as long as you can, or drink a glass of water upside down. You could even try eating a spoonful of sugar. It's not just for Mary Poppins. Remember, everyone has their go-to trick, so find what works for you. And if all else fails, just laugh it off. After all, hiccups are just a tiny reminder that your body's keeping things interesting.